What is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone out there is doing good, you feel me? So, I need to get a Rivnut installed in the other wagon. So as you can see here, this Rivnut came out. The cap broke off a while ago, and what I was doing to reinstall it was I would just hold it with a pair of pliers and screw in the bolt. And as you can see, the other ones are fine. I don't think any other ones are actually loose or stripped out. These are all pretty good. So I only need to replace one. This is a DOYLE 10-inch professional Rivnut setter kit from the good folks at Harbor Freight. It was $49, and I bought this version instead of the cheap $29 version because of this. It has different rivet sizes on it, and so I'm hoping that I'll be able to replace the Rivnut that is stripped out from the top of my wagon there. As you can tell, probably I have been using pliers and just holding it and then screwing this bolt into it. But I do have the replacement rivet. It's a lot bigger, and I'm not 100% sure if I might need a longer bolt. So we have a replacement here. There we go. It's just a little longer. That's what she said. So let's go ahead and try this out. It sounds like it's pretty straightforward. The hole here is just barely too big to fit it. And I don't feel like using a drill to, get it out to be. I don't want to take a risk and have it not be the right size because I don't have a caliper to measure this. I'm just going to file away little by little. It really just doesn't need too much space, and the tighter the fitting the better. They have little serrations here, and that's going to dig into the metal itself, and then once the rivet is complete, it's going to cap itself, and it's going to just squeeze between the sheet of metal here. So I want to keep as much metal here as possible. Alright, and just like that, we are good to go. Perfect. Starting to think I kind of jumped the gun with, maybe I should have just tapped it in with a hammer or something because it was so tight, but hopefully this is not, hopefully I didn't ruin this. Okay, so you see what happens here when this is collapsed. You see the threading there. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's just a straightforward thing, and as I mentioned, I think I should have just tried to tap this thing in there, because removing metal is removing the stuff that this is going to be able to grab onto, so that was a dumb move. But I barely even hit it. That's why, I don't know. Anyway, so I think it's pretty straightforward. As I mentioned before, just make sure that you have the tool at the widest position when you screw this thing on. That's as far down as I can get it, and I guess you just stick it on in there and push this together. You twist the middle piece. Wow, feels pretty secure. I think that's a fix, you guys. That's dope. That's really easy. Got the bolt, screws in perfectly, and a little stress test. I can move the whole car with this thing. This thing is not going anywhere. Harbor Freight tool, great product. It was well worth the $50 and just for doing this. Just for doing this, in my opinion. I'm stoked. Not only because this is a fix right here and it's like perfect, I can actually go and install a roof rack on the other wagon. But yeah, so that's gonna end this video, guys. I will catch you in the next one where I'm painting this roof here, And probably the next video after that is going to be me installing a roof rack on the other wagon. So hope you guys like this quick fix video, and I'll probably do like a full product review on this thing in another video just to get those views up. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Yeah.